Time to get creative with your surprise box. This tutorial is a fun one because we'll show you different ways to be creative. We'll start off by inflating our 5-inch balloons with either this hand pump or we could use an electric pump. We're going to use a number of small 5-inch balloons, so this will be good to do. And then when you're done with that, get your surprise box ready. We have colors in black, white and pink, but for today, we're going to use this pink surprise box. We already made a tutorial on this on how to assemble the box, but you can always watch it with us here. It's very easy to assemble. Right now I'm just pushing the flaps in for the lid of the box, and just like that, very easy. Push it in and you're pretty much done with your box, just like that. Okay, so now that's done, we're going to inflate about 3 10-inch heart-shaped balloons with helium, and we are going to tie them with a pink ribbon since we have like a pink theme to this. After all those are inflated, we'll get a 16-inch foil balloon, inflate it with normal air, and we're going to use dot tapes to stick the balloon on the inside of the surprise box. With that done, we have our 3 heart-shaped helium-filled balloons and we'll tie them to our fancy weight. This is to insert inside the box and ensure your balloons don't fly away when you open it. It's very pretty and it adds something to your surprise box. See? Look at that. Very cute. And we just close it back. Another alternative to your surprise box is to cut the sides, just like that, really slowly and steady. So this will allow your surprise box to pop open once you remove the lid, but be sure to have a steady hand as you cut through it. This is something creative that you can do, and it looks really pretty when it opens like that. We're going to add a sticker as well, just to add something else to the box. You could always draw, but you can also use the stickers that we have here. It's not just for your balloons, you can stick it anywhere in your box as well. So make sure that it's all nice and secure, there's no air bubbles, and then you just peel off the transferred tape. This is going to be noticeable when the box opens, and it's really fun and creative to use a surprise box like this. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and have fun with your surprise box.